Hello, Chef here. Just another real quick review for you. This is the Deluxe Cajun Injector, and we use this for a bunch of different things. You can use it for turkey, you can use it for steaks, pork, all kinds of stuff. Directions are included. I really like the quality of this one. It comes with stainless steel injector needle, and you can store it right inside there like we've done here. You put your ingredients in here, whatever they might be, like sugar, spices, brandy, whatever. You give it a twist like this. You attach the stainless steel tip like this, and you're good to go. There you go. Okay, that's the Deluxe Cajun Injector, and you can get it at your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Keep cooking. Hello, Chef here. So I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using two products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is, let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the two together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight, and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.